Hello, Gems. My name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. In today's video, I am working in my family binder with $60 in prop money. And let's get started. How are you guys doing today? Turn this around. Smooth some stuff out the way. All right, so we are saving for our adventures. This is a say $1,200 saving challenge created by Mint Dough. I am rolling a D12 to see how much I'm going to save. Was I doing D12? Okay. $7. I've been trying to get the big ones, but I'm not gonna complain. So let's get 7. Or should I just do the 14 here and finish this line? I think I'm gonna do that. Just let's finish this line. Let's do 14. Let's double that 7. Here we go. We can finish that because that would just bother me, you know. So let's do I got $1? Yes. So let's put 15 in here. 10, 15. Boom. So we finished that row there. All right, next we are going to my daughter. And this is created by Budget with Carly, say $60. Should I finish? Ooh, that's 8. I'm about to say, should I finish this? I don't know. We're just going to do the 8 for now, since I put 14 in the last one. So we just do the 8. We shall see after we try to go through all the categories. Next is my son. And this is created by Budget with Carly. This is a scratch, roll, and save. Let's go ahead and roll. Because we scratched last time, so let's roll. Oh, we got a 2. So let's do 2. So $2. And I'm not in a rush to finish these categories, so that's $2 will do. Next, we got myself. This is created by Budget with Tiffany. 26 saves $70. And let's do this one. And that is a 6. So 5 and 6. Next is for my husband. And this is created by Becca Budget 777. And let's see, let's do this one. We got the coffee cup. Find the coffee cup and double your scratch off. Oh dear. Hubby about to take all the money. So let's go over here. Okay, 4. So that's $8. Okay, $8. 5, 6, 7, 8. That wasn't too bad. That wasn't too bad. Next, we got Home Sweet Home. This is created by Mystic Budgets. This is also a roll and save and a scratch and save. The scratches are 8s and 5s. Should we just do a roll? We can do a scratch. Let's do a scratch. And we got a 5. So let's do the 5. And let's do a roll. So 5 and 3. So that's $8. So that's 3. So $8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Not too bad. Not too bad. Next we got Emergency. All right, and this is The Life of a Duck Named What? Created by Snowgarner 307. And I think we finished a page last time, and then I realized I skipped this whole page here because we did this page. So we are doing this page, this back to school, what the supplies page. We're going to do this page first. And let's see how much we got. $10, $14. Okay. So let's do at least $5. So do we have a 5 on here? No, we have a 3. Oh, I see lunchbox. What is lunchbox? $3. I'm just going to do what I see first. So lunchbox. So that's 3. And I see, what do I see? Oh, I see report card. Is that one? Yeah, report card is 3. So that's $6. Okay, I can do that. $6. All right, so $6. So 5 and 6 is going to emergency. Pretty cool there. And then, so we got $8. Should I see how much I need to finish this one for my daughter? Because she's always asking for something. That's my child that is, even though she's 19, she's mom. That's my daughter, and she's the oldest. That's my homegirl though. Okay, so 20, 40, 50, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57. And what is this? 57. Oh, okay. If it's 57, so this should be a 3. It is $3. Both of my kids, like, I don't mind helping them out or doing things for them because they are really good kids. She's a college student majoring in nursing, and my son is a senior in high school, and next year I'll be going off into Space Force. So I am like very, very proud of both of them. So I would do anything for them. There are some good kids. All right, I have $5 left. I think I am going to put that into our family adventures. So $5 is going in here. And we do have a 5 on this line. Yeah, I'm just want to stack this one up. Let's color in as 5. Perfect. All right, put that 5 in there. And I didn't put none into my 100 envelope challenge. This is just like a rainy day kind of buffer situation, which I need to put money in there because it sounds like my son's car might need a battery or something. So I should be putting some in there. But I got money in my sinking fund for my buffer already. So that's what that is for. All right, gems. That was $60 put into my family binder. Just a binder I wanted to start with each category for as a family. So hey, if they need it, I have the funds for it. If we need funds for our home, I have a home sinking funds in here going. Our adventures. Hey, I just want to be prepared. All right, gems, that is it. Thank you, everyone, for your love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please subscribe to the channel or share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye, gems.